Here comes a pretty good under $30 microphone.
Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of a new gadget I got from my YouTube videos. It's a TONOR TC30 microphone. It's supposed to be plug and play and really easy to use. So when you unbox something, instruction manual that I am actually going to read before I do a video on it, try to show you good stuff. 2-year warranty card. Let me get inside there. So first we'll take it out. There's a microphone. It's got a shock mount, which are pretty cool because if you bump it, you won't get any rattle noise. If you set it, when you set it down on the table, you won't get any noise. And what's good about the shock mount part is it's weighted, so if you tip and tilt the microphone, it won't fall over, which is good. So like if you got it sitting on your desk or table or whatever, if you bump the table, you won't get the noise filtering through the microphone. All right, USB-C. You get one of those. Nice box.
When I travel in the RV, I'll keep it in the box to keep it safe.
All right, then you get a pop filter. So that should be good. I thought there was a another filter that went on the top of the microphone. Let's see what else is in there. There is nothing else in there. That's it. I thought there was supposed to come with a sock filter that would go over the top of the microphone, but I guess there's not. So we'll put it together. Push that down through. It holds the microphone where you need it. And again, when you set it down, it's gonna be good. And you put the pop filter in. So there we go. It's all set up. I don't think my lighting is very good. But now I'll show you a little bit about setting it up on your laptop. But so far so good.
So a little technical. It's under £1. It's got really good sound suppression of background noises, like if you're typing. Good anti-vibration. The cable is 6 foot long, USB 2.0. It works on Windows, Linux, Macs, which means laptops, Macs. It'll work on PS4s and iPads too. So it's good for gaming, podcasts, Skype, and obviously if you're making YouTube videos. Pretty good for under 30 bucks. All right, now I'm speaking on that microphone, so hopefully it sounds pretty good. And once you get it plugged in, it is plug and play, but there's a couple things you need to check. You'll probably have to change them, but either way you need to check to make sure it sees it. So first thing is you need to go to your settings. There's a couple ways to do it. To where the speaker's headphone is, right click on it, open the sound settings, and then here's your output device. You move down, and your input device, since I've already set it up, it shows that it's there. You just want to make sure it's not on like your laptop mic, and you got to save it there. So that's pretty easy to do. So that's setting it up for using on the laptop. But if you're like me and you're kind of cheap and you use like Microsoft Movie Maker to do your YouTube videos, which is what I do, you need to go up to File and Movie Maker, and then go to Options, go to Audio and Video, and again, since I already set it up, this one I had to go in there and see it. I was like, why won't it record on my videos? You have to go in and click it, and once you set it once, it's going to be good to go. And really, what I've found so far, that's all you got to do. I'll put the particulars in the description block. I'm not trying to get you to go through me to buy it on Amazon. If you need a microphone, I think for the price, this is a pretty good one. And yeah, so check the description block if you want a little bit more on it. I would give it 2 thumbs up. Been happy with it. Have a great and wonderful day.